Chapter 6 Sound of Vowel O. Hello, my smart little learners. Welcome to another fun lesson. Today we will learn the short O sound. The short O sounds. Let's read some words with the short O sound. Og words: log, fog, jug, dog. Well done. Ot words: dot, hot, pot, cot. Excellent. OP words: mop, hop, cop, top. Amazing. OCK words: rock, sock, cock, lock. Read and say aloud: God, cod, hod, nod, mod, pod, rod, job, bob, gob, mob, lob, rob, sob, low, bow, wow, so, row, toe, dough, hot, got, rot, not, lot, pot, tot. Great job, kids!